Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 6th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle number 9852. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Then 4 O's we have here in the last row. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. And let me see. Come on. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second row, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.